Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Tapswap Countdown. 8 days to listing and app pause for major upgrades. Big news from Tapswap. The countdown is on. The highly anticipated Tapswap token generation event, TGE, is just 8 days away, marking a major milestone for the platform. But before we get there, an important update. The Tapswap app is temporarily paused from February 6th, 12 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated to February 7th, 12 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated to roll out some exciting new features. So why the pause? The Tapswap team is implementing game-changing enhancements that will elevate user experience, competition, and engagement. Here's what's coming. What's new? Leaderboards 2.0, a more dynamic ranking system to spotlight top players. Integrated wallets, making transactions seamless and secure. Social features, new ways to show off your skills and achievements. New games and events, competitive features designed to challenge your strategy, reflexes, and tactical decision-making. Mark your calendars. Tapswap Listing Date, February 14th, 2025. Valentine's Day just got more exciting. February 14th, 2025 is not just about romance. It's the official Tapswap token generation event, TGE. But that's not all. While the official exchange listings remain under wraps, rumors are swirling about top-tier platforms like OKX, KuCoin, and Bigot potentially carrying $TPS. A multi-exchange launch could bring increased liquidity, market activity, and a potential price surge. $TPS price prediction, what to expect? Initial market estimates suggest market cap between $700 million to $800 million at launch. Token price expected to range from 3 to 5 cents. Given the high liquidity and market hype, some experts predict a post-listing rally. However, as always, market volatility remains a factor, so staying updated on the latest Tapswap price movements and listing details is key. Final thoughts, the road ahead. The Tapswap journey is just heating up. With a feature-packed update, a highly anticipated TGE, and a promising price outlook, the next few weeks are set to be game-changing for both players and investors.